Hello, parents and kids. Good morning. How are you today? Well, as usual, I hope that you're fine so you can do your reading assignment for this week. Okay? And as usual, I have two sections English version and Bahasa Indonesia. Are you ready, guys? Let's go. Number one, I can see the moon from inside the house. Number two, my sisters cook food for the clown on my birthday. Number three, the owl is flying near the cloud. My father brings a big wood from the forest. Number five, a cow fighting with the mouse. Number six, my teacher gives me a spoon and a book at school. Number seven, we will see the brown owl at the zoo. Number eight, the clown swims at the pool. Number nine, look at the cloud. Can you count them? Number 10, I have big pool behind my house. Now we go to the story. There is a big house in the forest, but the cloud is very dark. I like to brush my teeth in the bathroom. There is a boat on the lake near the house. My mother and my father wait for my uncle near the lake. Well, guys, now we will read for the third story now. The clown claps the hand and sings together with the kids. He gives the flag to the kids in the birthday party. And he rides the bike with a ball. Suddenly, his truck comes with a fun driver. The driver sits on the grass. Now we read for the last part. My mother bakes a strawberry cake. She wants to share with Dave's friends. She also makes some lime juice. I can see a lot of cute kids. Dave hopes his friends will be fun in this party. Oke, selanjutnya kita akan baca bahasa Indonesia. Nomor 1. Hari ini hari libur sekolah. 2. Kami merasa senang sekali. 3. Henny pergi ke pulau. Ada juga nakoda kapal. Henny lihat banyak kerang. 6. Hati Henny jadi riang. Sekarang kita baca cerita dalam bahasa Indonesia lagi. Ibu ajak kami ke pesta. Di sana banyak bola merah dan bola biru. Di pesta aku baca cerita lucu dan semua tertawa. Ibu terlihat sangat segar dan sehat. Cerita bagian ketiga. Kami berkumpul bersama di teras di malam hari bersama teman-teman kami. Teman-teman kami melihat bintang di langit berkelap-kelip, tetapi tidak ada warna. Kami mendengar suara udara terasa sangat dingin oleh karena itu badan kami terasa nyeri. Well guys, so that's all for the reading tutorial for this week. And as usual, don't forget to practice and send your video to our WhatsApp group. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.